Join me as I take on the challenge of teaching myself to start programming from scratch, and I'll show you how you can do it too. No experience needed. If you're someone who's always been fascinated by the world of programming but don't know where to start, you're in the right place. The good news is that you can start programming today, regardless of your background or experience level. All you need is a willingness to learn and a computer with an internet connection. Many people believe that programming is only for those with advanced math skills or a computer science degree. This misconception can be a major deterrent for those who want to learn how to code. The truth is, while math can be helpful in certain areas of programming, it's not a requirement to get started. You can learn the basics of programming without needing to be a math whiz. In fact, many programmers are self-taught and have learned through online resources and practice. The key is to find a programming language and resources that work for you and your learning style. Another common misconception about programming is that it's a solo activity that requires you to be a loner. This couldn't be further from the truth. The programming community is vast and welcoming, with many online forums and groups dedicated to helping beginners learn and improve their skills. You can connect with other programmers, get feedback on your code, and learn from their experiences. This can be a great way to stay motivated and inspired as you learn to code. Additionally, many programming languages have large communities of developers who contribute to open source projects and create new resources for beginners. Some people also believe that programming is a boring and tedious activity that involves staring at code all day. While it's true that programming requires focus and attention to detail, it can also be a highly creative and rewarding activity. As you learn to code, you'll have the opportunity to bring your ideas to life and create something from scratch. This can be an incredibly fulfilling experience, and many programmers find that it's a great way to express themselves and showcase their skills. Whether you're interested in building a website, creating a mobile app, or developing a game, programming can be a fun and engaging hobby. Programming is also often seen as an activity that's only for young people. This is simply not true. People of all ages can learn to code, and it's never too late to start. Whether you're looking to switch careers, improve your skills, or simply learn something new, programming can be a great way to challenge yourself and achieve your goals. With the rise of online learning platforms and resources, it's easier than ever to get started with programming, regardless of your age or background. You can learn at your own pace, and there are many resources available to help you every step of the way. If you're new to programming, it can be overwhelming to know where to start. There are many programming languages to choose from, each with its own strengths and weaknesses. Some popular languages for beginners include Python, JavaScript, and HTML, CSS. These languages are relatively easy to learn and have a wide range of applications, from web development to data analysis. Python, for example, is a great language for beginners because it's easy to read and write, and has a large community of developers who contribute to its ecosystem. JavaScript is another popular language that's used for web development, and is a great choice if you want to build interactive web applications. JavaScript is also a great language to learn if you're interested in building mobile apps or games. It's a versatile language that can be used for both front-end and back-end development, and is a popular choice among developers. HTML/CSS, on the other hand, is a great choice if you're interested in building websites or web applications. It's a markup language that's used to create the structure and layout of web pages, and is a fundamental skill for any web developer. Once you've chosen a language, you can start learning with online resources such as Codecademy, FreeCodeCamp, or Coursera. These platforms offer interactive coding lessons, exercises, and projects to help you learn and improve your skills. In addition to online resources, There are also many coding bootcamps and tutorials available that can help you learn to code. These programs are designed to teach you the skills you need to become a proficient programmer in a short amount of time. They often include hands-on projects, mentorship, and career support to help you get started in the industry. Some popular coding bootcamps include General Assembly, App Academy, and Hack Reactor. These programs can be a great way to learn to code, especially if you're looking for a structured and supportive environment. There are also many free tutorials and resources available online that can help you learn to code. Websites such as YouTube, Udemy, and edX offer a wide range of courses and tutorials on programming topics. You can learn from experienced programmers and developers who share their knowledge and expertise through video lessons and blog posts. These resources can be a great way to supplement your learning and stay up to date with the latest developments in the programming world. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced programmer, there's always something new to learn, and the online community is always willing to help. One inspiring example of someone who started coding with no experience is Susan, a stay-at-home mom who decided to learn how to code in her spare time. She started with online tutorials and gradually built her way up to more complex projects. With persistence and dedication, she was able to create her own website and even landed a job as a junior developer at a local startup. Her story is a testament to the fact that anyone can learn to code, regardless of their background or experience level. Susan's journey shows that with hard work and determination, you can achieve your goals and transform your career or hobby. Susan's story is not unique, and there are many others like her who have successfully transitioned into a career in programming. For example, John, a former teacher, decided to learn how to code after realizing that it was a skill that was in high demand. He started with online courses and gradually built his way up to more complex projects. With his new skills, he was able to land a job as a developer at a local school district, where he was able to use his programming skills to create educational software. His story shows that it's never too late to learn how to code, and that it can be a rewarding and challenging career. As you learn to code, you'll have the opportunity to work on a wide range of projects, from building websites and mobile apps to creating games and artificial intelligence systems. The possibilities are endless, and the skills you learn will be valuable in many different contexts. Whether you're interested in pursuing a career in programming or simply want to learn a new skill, coding can be a fun and rewarding hobby. With the right resources and support, you can achieve your goals and create something truly amazing. Many people have successfully transitioned into a career in programming after learning how to code. For example, Michael, a former musician, decided to learn how to code after realizing that it was a skill that was in high demand. He started with online courses and gradually built his way up to more complex projects. With his new skills, he was able to land a job as a developer at a local startup, where he was able to use his programming skills to create music software. His story shows that with hard work and determination, you can achieve your goals and transform your career or hobby. To summarize, the key points discussed are that anyone can start programming today, regardless of their background or experience level. Common misconceptions about programming, such as needing advanced math skills or a computer science degree, are simply not true. Beginner-friendly programming languages and resources are available online, and there are many success stories of people who started coding with no experience and transformed their careers or hobbies. Programming is accessible to everyone, and with the right resources and support, you can achieve your goals and create something truly amazing. If you've made it this far, I hope you're feeling inspired to start your own programming journey. Leave a comment below and let me know about your experiences with programming, or what you're hoping to achieve with your new skills. Be sure to check out another one of my videos on coding resources, where I'll be sharing some of my favorite tools and platforms for learning to code. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.